Lord, I'm in love with you. In you I live, in you I breathe. There is no me.
Hi guys, you're welcome. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Adorable One. Today we are going to prepare ingredients for cough. These are my ingredients. We are going to use about 4 ingredients. This is ginger. I'm going to use my ginger. This is bitter cola. I'm going to use honey. I'm supposed to use lime, but I don't have lime here. So you can get your lime and add to it. So let me peel my ginger. Okay, I've finished peeling my ginger. Next is bitter cola. You peel them. After peeling them, you cut them into pieces and blend them. But mine I will not blend because I don't have there is no light here. So I will use grater to grate them after peeling them. This is 5 bitter cola. Can use 5, can use 4. Depending on the amount you want it and the quantity that you want it. So mine I'm using 5 bitter cola. When you finish peeling them, wash them, blend them. Okay, I finished peeling my bitter cola. I wash them. Please pardon the noise that you'll be hearing on the background of this video. But this my neighbors that can make noise. So I will grate them. Pardon the noise, please. Okay, I've finished grinding it. I'll add them to water. Just as I said earlier, if you use a lime, you will not add water to it. Just use the lime water. Okay? You will filter it because there are so many particles inside. So you have to filter it to remove the particles. Please pardon the fowl. I don't know where the fowl is coming from. Filter it. Make sure you squeeze all the water out. All the lemon's water. Squeeze it out. Okay. Add onion. Add onion to it. 1. Okay. I changed my container. The first container was too small. So you add 2 spoons of onion and mix it. Okay, it is done. Adults, take it 1 tablespoon. While children, you use this teaspoon to give to them. Take it morning, 1 teaspoon for adults. Then for children, 1, sorry, adult, take 1 tablespoon. While children, you take 1 teaspoon. Morning, 1. Night, 1 spoon, 1 spoons. This is my old one that I prepared. This one I use lemon. So I will add to it. This was with lemon and with you can use lemon or you can use lime. It is lime that I use. The old one that I prepared before. So I've added it to the new one. If you are using lime, after you use it, you keep it for 1 day to ferment. Then you start taking it the next day. But if you're using water, since you bread it, you can take it after you finish. So mine, I'll take 1 tablespoon now. Wow. The ginger will just immediately work amazing. Go and take it and come back and tell me how it works. Bye. Oh, preserve it in the fridge. So preserve it, put in the refrigerator. But if you don't have fridge, make sure you use it within 1 week and prepare another one. See you guys on my next video.